Your favorite Marvel villain, Anna Gai Shafkat Chima.
Thanos. Easy. Such quotable lines. He's so compelling. I love Thanos.
Thanos is not bad, but you know Gore the Butcher is just about to make his appearance in Thor Love and Thunder.
I know. It might change, but Thanos has my heart for now.
Quickly, before you go, what would you want to say to your Pakistani fans, and especially in Pakistan? You're going to be in cinemas, girl.
Hi, Pakistan. I'm so excited for you guys to watch this show and see it in cinemas. I really think it's so, great that we're showing this on a large format. It's truly just everything from the score to the visuals. You guys are really lucky, and I'm so excited to see the reaction. My entire family in Pakistan is going to be, in the theaters with you guys. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy.
Hi, Marvel. But की सैन में दी गाल कर रहे हैं ना इन ट्रैवल टाइम बोतलां बेचते ने बोतले
Thank you very much, Iman, and you are amazing in the show. From the entire team of Super Over, good luck.
Thank you so much.